Where are we, Jeff?
Today, Jen, we are at a banger again. This is 6601 Pickett Avenue in beautiful West Grove, California.
This is a garden park Plan 2, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, fully remodeled, literally down the street from Pacifica High School, Enders Elementary, and Bell Intermediate. This is a must-see. Here we are in the Garden Park Plan 2, and what people love about this floor plan is how huge the living room is. This open concept, open to the kitchen, fireplace behind, smooth ceilings, and solar tubes make this home a dream come true. We are in the chef's kitchen. This is amazing. It's an open concept. They have remodeled it, removing a wall, making it so spacious.
Usually there's a wall right here. You wouldn't be able to see me, but look at it. It's open, beautiful, dining, entertainment. It's great.
My favorite is the sparkling quartz countertop, the 6-burner stove. It is amazing, high-end with a convection oven, and the subway marble in the background, this huge island. It's such a great space for cooking, enjoying each other, entertaining, and the lighting is awesome. You've got recessed LEDs and 2 solar tubes. I never want to leave. In the spacious backyard, standing in front of the plumeria tree. How good does it smell?
Oh, beautiful.
So good. A unique feature that this home has is its backyard is up against Enders Elementary. So you have a gate, which makes it so nice for your kids to go to school, and it's also, after school, a place for softball. You've got your own playground. It's like having this huge backyard that you don't even have to maintain.
Yep, they mow it.
Such a great feature. Here we are in the backyard under the spacious patio cover. We've got fruit trees behind us. We've got the West Grove wind, that coastal breeze.
Yep.
How do we get that? What does it come off of?
Comes over the estuary and the munitions depot, straight unobstructed. There's a word for you.
There's a naval base in Seal Beach, and that wind just comes right across it, right here into West Grove. We hope you've enjoyed this tour, because we have.
Absolutely.
We love this place. Location is great, close to all the top-rated schools, and it's gorgeously remodeled inside. What else could you want? 4 bedrooms. If you'd like to see it yourself and you want your own private tour, please reach out to us today. And what else should they do, Jeff?
Please, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to our channel down below to get notified of more wonderful videos like this.
Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.